Deneen says, years ago, I was prescribed DHEA in cream form. What is the difference between taking it in these two formats?
So this was a big disappointment for us, actually. Our compounding pharmacists are awesome. These guys are some of the and gals are some of the smartest people I've worked with. And they tell me that the DHEA doesn't get absorbed well through the skin. They say, yeah, we sell it because people want it and doctors prescribe it. But they say it's mostly a placebo. It doesn't really work well through the skin, because we were hoping we could just add it to the cream, and so you could have your estrogen, progesterone, and DHEA cream, and it'd be much simpler for you. But the compound pharmacists tell me it doesn't really work well that way, and so I trust them. And so we're not going to give you something that's a placebo. We're not going to give you something that's not going to work. And so that's why we only prescribe the oral form of the DHEA. We know it's less convenient. I wish there was a way to give it to you through a cream that actually worked and gave you drug levels. But according to our pharmacists, it just doesn't work well that way. And so that's why we use